How to fix WhatsApp network problem? WhatsApp is temporarily unavailable issue. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting this message and your WhatsApp is not connecting, here are the ways to fix it. First of all, ensure your iPhone has a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the issue is resolved. Next up, you need to swipe or double tap the home button, and this way you need to swipe up or force close all the background applications including WhatsApp. Once you close it, reopen the app and your issue should be fixed. However, if it is not, restart your iPhone once. For this, press and hold the power button and either volume button until the slider appears. Sometimes the issue could be the app specific. For this, head over to App Store, search for WhatsApp, and if you see an update button, make sure to tap on it. This way, you will get the latest version along with fixing the temporary glitches or bugs. However, if the issue persists, you may have to offload the application to clear the cache. For this, go to iPhone storage, click on Offload app, tap on it and then reinstall the application once. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.